Well, here is my rekeying kit, and you know what that means. Rekeying some padlocks that I'm going to be getting today. Um, Putting two different big shackles on, a couple of them. They're going to go to my dad's shop, and they go into the barn. So I'm going from having to have three keys to having one key to work all the locks for the shop and the barn. So I'm going to be rekeying them. Their slag, they're the Abus locks. I will. They're the, I believe, 8345, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not certain on that, but they're rekeyable. They have a slag core in them, and cylinder. I mean, slag cylinder, and I'm hoping that I don't need to. I'm hoping this screwdriver will work. So I didn't buy the tool. I was going to. It was $8. I didn't feel I thought it looked at the tool and looked like a screwdriver would be the one to use to change the shackle on a couple of them to these bigger 6-inch ones for a couple of the doors. Anyway, I got my slag pins for my pin kit here. This has this one has 0 through 3, and this one has 4 through 9. And I got tools in here. I also have quick set tools in here as well. Like this thing here. This thing here is pretty neat. This is the quick set one of them smart key reset tools. This is the fancier version, plastic thing. I have this thing. This thing here. One of them tailpiece remover things. It doesn't seem to work like it should. And I got my plug follower in here. And I don't have any tools over here for it, but this is my rekeying kit I've showed before. It's got spare clips and key rings in here, and a couple of little screwdrivers and some pre-cut keys in there. And then up here I got some plug followers, some longer ones, the same size, pad of paper, screwdrivers, and this is a lock pick set if I need to use it. This is the quick set. I have two of these. This is the cradle for resetting smart key locks. I have a pre-cut key in both of them to use for resetting. Then when I reset, I can key it to whoever has a key for. But this is that, and then I have a special key I use for resetting it, so I don't have to. It's a blue one. It's aluminum, I believe. And then that's that. And I have under here, I have some trays, some a little more tools, pre-cut key, slag, and quick set 5 and 6 pins, and some other stuff. But that's it for that. That's basically what I use for rekeying. So when I get these padlocks today, I'll be rekeying those with this. Anyway, take care. Have fun. Have a great day.